Another beautiful evening. I'm out. Naenda kutembea huko nje, naenda kutafuta little coins. Hi, Bruce. That is Bruce. I'm going to just shoot you down there. So, guys, as you can see, I always enjoy the sunset. So I always see the sunset down there. This is where the sunset. Today it is not sunset. It is not going very well. A place that I love. Like when it comes to that side, is always one of the best one. So guys, yeah. As I was saying, I'm heading for a shoot one this evening. I hope I'll get something. As you can see, my village is not bad. Like, I always have some good views around here. I love this place because I can see, I can have a fresh air. I can have a fresh air too. But also the view. I love views, so when I love views, and views are the best. It is an evening, it is an evening, so there is a sunset. I don't know if I'll get the sunset. I've been waiting for the sunset today. So, as you can see, there is a light in my face. There is a beautiful light from the sun. So you can see the view. This place is good. They have good views. It is one of the best. Living in Gilgil, Teachers B. This is Teachers B. It is a it is a beautiful place. Even if you get money by land. One thing about this place, when it gets dry, it gets really dry. It is very dry, very dry. Now it is green. This is a good season for green. Now you can buy a land at more expensive. The land will be so expensive that even you cannot afford it. So this side you can buy. People are buying lands here, and I think even now the land is so expensive at the moment where I live. So this is my daily routine today. This is another street. This is another street you can see. Let me take you around. Let me take you around the place that I live, as I can show you somehow. As you can see, that is what we call Coulson Girls. This place is called Coulson Girls because of this school, and Tumishi. Tumishi is in the other side, but this place is known as Teachers B. And when you say you're going to Teachers B, Coulson, this is the Coulson School, Coulson Girls School. It is a boarding school for girls. Yep, for girls. People need to go to school and read. Girls need to go to school. Yeah, me? School? I went to school. I finished my school, and it wasn't bad. It was part of life, and it's part of the reality of life. Does going to school make us rich? That is a question I always ask myself. Do going to school will make us rich? This is another street. This is another street. Yep. Okay. I don't have insufficient balance to make this call. Yeah. Baba nimenunua Predo. Asimi nimekuangalia, nimefika tao na simu yangu inazima nikasikia vibaya. So guys, this is now the killing sunset view in Gilgil. This is one of the best sunset shoot. When I want to get a sunset shoot, this is the place I can come and get a good one. Like now you can see It is around that post, and it will give that sunset. It is around the same post that I want. So if I wait for for another what is it? It is around 5:45. So around 6:10, I'll get the sunset down there close to that, and it will be amazing sunset if it is come to be a yellow sunset. So it is one of the best. So this is Gilgil. Yeah, this is my town. This is my village town, and this is all the town you can see. From there, it is a army, the land of army. As you come, the other side also it is being protected by land of an army. So Gilgil is protected. During election, don't try to come to Gilgil if you want to fight. So guys, I just finished my shoot. I was doing a photography on here. So as you can see, the sun is so beautiful and the sun is so amazing on my face this evening. So I want to get the sun on my video. See, that is my town, as you can see on that fence, and that is the sun set. Wow. So that is the sunset on my town. Okay, last time I remember I told you where rich people stay. This is where rich people stay. That is where rich people stay. That upper rich people stay at that corner, at that place. So I'm waiting for the sunset. I'm waiting for the sunset shoot. So if I got my place, the other side, I stay at the other side. When I go to my place, I won't get a really sunset. So today I wanna get this sunset shoot, and I don't know how I'm gonna get it. I hope today I get a good sunset shoot down here, because I really wanted the sun to be on the top of the satellite booster. That booster. Sorry for mistaking with that booster for Safaricom. I think it is Safaricom for network, booster for network. I don't know how those things work. I don't know how they work. The internet, I don't know how they work, but one day I will make one. So I wanted the sun to be on the top of that, and to get that here, it will be amazing. But today I don't know if I will get that sunset, and if I get it, I'm gonna sell it on NFTs. Yeah, my Sony was a good camera for that. Yep. Guys, look at my town. It is so beautiful sometimes. This town has more memories for me. It has great memories, it has bad memories, just everything, every place that has that. But this place is strategic in a good environment of tourism. Look at those hills. That is Eburu forest. Those are hills, man. I would love to go there, but I've tried to go to that one, the small one there, with another booster. Hey. So guys, I can see the sunset. Nimetoka ka job kadogo, but it is worth it. I've made some little cash. I pick cash to buy some food for myself. Yeah, that is how I survive. That is how my life is. So it is there. As I was saying the last time, it was around 5. Now you can see the sun where it is. At my place, it is not at the center of that. It is not at the center of that. It is not at the center of that booster. I really wanted to be at that booster to get a good sunset picture there. Yeah, but the sun is going down officially. So this is where I stay. This is my home. I do my things after doing a photography shoot. This is where I'm coming. I have